Hello, my lovely friends. Today we are drawing this cheerful little dog together. If you'd like more tips on how to draw cute dogs, I created this step-by-step tutorial. And if you want to use the same brushes, these are the ones. Links to everything are below the video. So let's start drawing. I'll show you the sketching in simple steps. We'll draw a circle, the body, nose, ears, back legs, tail, front legs. Now the bird. Circle, beak, body, wing, tail, triangle, fingers, rectangle, triangle, vertical lines, doghouse, and the door. The rough sketch is done. Now create a new layer, set its blend mode to multiply, lower the visibility of the sketch, and draw the final lines. Don't stick completely to the sketch. Think of the sketch as a helper to keep proportions right and make drawing easier, so you can have more fun with details. If your final lines aren't too precise like mine, feel free to create a new layer and draw them again or erase unnecessary lines. Click on the background color and change it to light blue. Under the line art, create a new layer, choose white and color the dog. Choose red and color the bird. Create a new layer, clip it using a clipping mask, and draw spots on the dog. Create another layer, clipping mask, multiply, and use red to draw shadows on the bird. If the shadows are too pale, duplicate the layer, adjust the visibility, and merge both layers into one. Add shadows to the dog as well. Use a light gray. Move the layer with the spots under the shadow layer. At the very bottom, create a new layer, choose light brown, and paint the doghouse. Create a new layer, choose yellow, and paint the roof. Create a new layer, clipping mask, multiply, and paint a darker opening. New layer, multiply, and paint the shadows. If they are too sharp, blur them. Paint more shadows in the opening with a darker brown. If it seems sharp, blur it. Above the roof, create a new layer, clipping mask, multiply, choose a darker yellow and paint shadows. Above the bird, create a new layer, clipping mask, and paint the beak yellow. Create a new layer and paint the eyes white. On the same layer, paint the pink color and color the dog's cheeks. Add a new layer and paint a bone in white. At the very bottom, add a new layer, choose green, and draw the ground. If you are using my brushes, just draw a line and change the pressure as you go. Add a new layer, multiply, clipping mask, and draw shadows and details. I decided to draw a bow, so I'm going back to the line work layer and drawing it. I create a new layer and color the bow. Lower the visibility of the line work layer, create a new layer above, and use a pencil to draw all the important details. Don't focus too much on what's right. Just let go and relax and have fun. You know, the best things are always created with joy. The picture is almost done. We just need a simple background. At the very bottom, create a new layer and draw a green line for the hill. Fill it with green. Create a new layer and draw simple clouds in white. Lower the layer's visibility. So we are done. If there's anything specific you'd like to see me draw next time, write it in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. Thank you guys and enjoy a wonderful day.